Hello, today is March 30th, 2025. I just want to make a quick video of the most undervalued stocks in the stock market. The following companies are recognized for their strong growth trajectories and discounted valuations. The first one's Google, ticker symbol GOOGL. It's currently trading at $154.33 a share. Alphabet stock has dropped 12% this year due to macroeconomic concerns like tariffs and inflation. However, its strong fundamentals and profitability of robust financial stability in growth and AI and cloud services make it a solid long-term investment. Looking at Google's financials, its P is 20.52 with a forward P of 18.77, earnings per share of $7.52 with a dividend yield of 0.52%. Google is down 19.85% in the past 3 months, which presents a great buying opportunity at $155 a share. And it could see an upside of 17%, up to $193 by the end of April. That's the strong bullish sentiment. Also, there's also probably a good chance that we've seen the bottom of Google right there it's found support right there between 155 and 150. So I'm investing in Google at 155 a share. I have a strong buy at 155. Next, I have Oracle, the number 2 stock, ticker symbol ORCL. Oracle's trading at 140.87 a share, with a forecasted stock price of April where it could increase up to maybe 2% in the short term. However, its cloud growth remains impressive, driven by AI related to demand. Its PE is 33.09 with a forward PE of 32.68, earnings per share of $4.25. And it has a dividend yield of 1.42%. By December of 2025, Oracle has a forecast return on investment of 47.5%. So it has a huge upside, forecasted for the remainder of this year. I currently have a strong buy right there at 141 a share. Third on my list, Dell, ticker symbol DELL. It's currently trading at $92.29 with an upside of 10%. For the forecast of April of 2025. Its AI servers, revenue, and networking solutions are driving growth to spot supply chain challenges. Its current PE is 33.09 with a forward PE of 32.68, earnings per share of $4.25, and currently with a dividend yield of 1.42%. I have a strong buy at $93 a share. Next company, Best Buy, ticker symbol BBY. Best Buy is currently trading at $72.45 with a forecasted increase in price of up to $76.62 by April, which is a 1.94% increase. While sentiment remains bearish, short term, its consistent green days suggest stability. Plus another thing, Best Buy pays a dividend yield of 5.25%. So Best Buy is ideal for conservative investors seeking steady returns. I have a buy at $73 a share. Next company, one of my favorite companies, Blackstone, ticker symbol BX. Blackstone is trading at $138.11 a share, with analysts bullish on its alternative asset management business rebounding in 2025. UPS recently upgraded it to a buy, because of its strong fee-related revenue growth. Blackstone has a P of 38.14 with a forward P of 25.01, earnings per share of $3.62. Its dividend yield of currently paying at 2.86%. Analysts project up to 22% annualized growth starting in late 2025. It's a solid pick for long-term wealth. So I have a strong buy right there at $138 a share. Next, we have my favorite all-time company, NVDA, and by far my most profitable company. I was up 48,000 this year in NVDA alone. NVIDIA is priced at $109.67 a share, but it could bounce back to around 130. Maybe after earnings, it has upcoming. It needs some good news right now. At technical analysis, it had a death cross, so the stock continues to fall. But I'm loading up on NVIDIA. That's by far the greatest tech company in the world. NVIDIA's created untold millionaires every single year. And NVIDIA has the potential to surpass $150 this year if demand persists. Its PE is 37.33 with a forward PE of 25.80. Earnings per share of $2.93 with a dividend yield of 0.04%. NVIDIA is the perfect stock to own for investors looking to capitalize on AI. I have a strong buy at $109 a share. If you don't have NVIDIA in your portfolio, invest Monday. Don't wait. Buy right away. That stock will easily double in value every single year in a bull market. So, it's by far my number one stock. Last, I have Taiwan Semiconductor and Manufacturing Company, ticker symbol TSM, currently trading at $165.25, but it could climb to up to $250 a share by late 2025. That's a 62% increase. Its leadership in the semiconductor technology makes it a top choice for AI and 5G applications. There's significant upside due to strong fundamentals. Its P is 23.95 with a forward P of 40.85, with earnings per share of $6.90, dividend yield of 1.57%. I think we found support right there at $165 a share, and I believe the stock has a ton of upside with limited downside. It's a must-have for tech-focused portfolios. I have a buy at, like I said, $165 a share. These stocks represent an incredible opportunity for growth in the next year, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out building your portfolio. These are definitely stocks you should check out and do your own due diligence, and just consider adding these companies to your portfolio long term. These are great investments. Please hit the like button if you've found this analysis helpful. Subscribe to this channel. If these videos help trying to get this account monetized, be sure to get a free stock from Webull in the comments below, as well as $40 worth of free stock, in cryptocurrency totally free when you click on the Coinbase referral link in the comments below. If you have any stocks you'd like me to include in my next video, just leave them in the comments. I'll be more than happy to deep dive into any particular stock. Hope everyone has a very profitable weekend. Be sure to check me out on TikTok Live between 7:30 and 8:30, Monday through Friday. Also, my website's joshdelozerinvestments.com, so check it out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all next week.